lakini mbona is it that always I'm the one to blame? Mbona time naji-express na try out to make my thoughts make sense na kuwa ignored or brushed aside? Mbona most of the time that na get privilege ya ku express myself, hati yangu wanga ina feel scared cause currently I might be not the best version of myself as at that time, but then mbona mention that haujui na grow, haujui na jaribu ku liberate my thoughts and arrange my thoughts in a better way to be understood and maybe to be gotten right. Haujui expressions ndo zofanya msichana feel king. Haujui hata hizo thoughts zenye unafikiria ndo Satan alikuwa naye huko juu akachujwa. Haujui inafaa ujue hizo zote, that on this earth we are privileged to be in our controlled or rather cancelled state of mind. Unajua, peace out. The angelic quotes.